Sometimes in life, you get what you pay for. Meet Tom, he just got what everybody is looking for. A good deal.
This is a nice place you have, Tom. I can't believe you got it at that price.
Well, you pay for what you get. In about 10 seconds you're going to hear a big argument. Just ignore it, Martin.
What?
Why you let the goddamn microwave open? You don't pay no bills in this motherfucker.
The microwave?
Yes.
Really? Stop being petty.
I'm sorry. I love you.
I know.
You can't say it back?
It back! It back! It back!
Who was that?
That was Craig and Lisa. Craig hates when Lisa leaves the microwave door open. In about 5 seconds you're going to see a mouse.
There are certain things you should not be cheap about. Others you can be. Start your affiliate marketing training today for free.